Test and Repair tab. Here we will perform the actual surface scan of our hard drive, and if any bad sector is found, we will repair it. But wait, on the right side here there are many buttons and options. If you click any wrong button without understanding, your data can also be deleted. So understand carefully which option to use, when and why. At the top, start LBA and end LBA here. Start LBA 0 means scanning will be start from the very beginning 0% of the drive. End LBA shows the full capacity of your drive, meaning it will scan up to 100%. Normally leave it as it is so the entire drive gets scanned. But if you know that the problem is only in the last portion of the drive, then you can manually enter the number here to scan only that portion, which will save a lot of your time. Now let's come to the most important part, scan modules. Here read, it is by default selected. This is the best and safest option. In this, the software reads every sector of the drive and checks how fast it is working. Whenever you are clicking the drives, checking the drive health or searching for bad sectors, always select this read option 99% of the time. Your data remains completely safe. Second one is verify. This is slightly faster than read, but it does not transfer data to memory for checking. Use this when you have less time and want to do quick surface level check. Third option is write. Warning. Write means erasing data. It writes zeros on every sector of the drive. Use this only when the drive is completely corrupted, has no important data, or when you want to permanently delete all data before selling the drives. Now look at the colorful boxes here on the left side of the screen. When the scan starts, your drive will be scanned here in a small boxes, and each block color will show its speed and health. First is gray color. If you see gray box, it means your drive is running very fast like butter, everything is perfect. Green and orange, these two buttons, this means those sectors have become a bit slow. The drive is taking time to read data. This is the beginning of danger. Red, danger signal. This sector is very slow and almost about to fail. Blue, this is the biggest villain, an actual bad sector. If blue blocks appear, it means that part of the drive is physically damaged and data cannot be read from it. This is why your computer gives the blue screen error or hangs. Now the biggest question, if blue or red blocks are found, what actions should the software take? For this we have these 4 steps here. Ignore, erase, remap, refresh. First one is ignore. When you scan the first time, always keep it in ignore. This will only detect and show problems without making any changes. First understand how serious the issue is, then remap. After scanning with ignore option, if you find 10 or 20 bad sectors, then run the scan again and select at this time remap button. Hard drives have some hidden spare sectors. The remap option blocks the damaged bad sectors and activates the new spare sector in its place. This keeps your data safe and make the drives fast again. Third option is erase. If remap does not work and the bad sector is logical software glitch, then use erase. It writes zeros on that sector or try to fix it. some data in this block will be deleted. After that, refresh button. Use this when there are no bad sectors or blue sectors, but many orange or red sectors. Orange and red sectors. It reads and rewrites data in some places, making slow sectors fast again. It converts in gray sectors. If you are doing routine check, keep setting on read and ignore. Read and ignore. And click a big button, scan. As soon as you click, colorful boxes will start appearing in the grid boxes. You will see the drive's real health live in front of your eyes. If bad sector appears, don't panic. Stop the scan. Set the action to remap. And run the scan again. Victoria will bypass bad sectors and prevent your PC from hanging. First, look on the left side. This is a big scan button to start the test. Just below it there is a small button, quick, here. This button. If your drive is 1 TB or 2 TB and full scan takes 4 to 5 hours, but you don't have that much time, then press quick button. It will check only key areas, start, middle and end, and give you an overall idea of drive health in 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's talk about the 4 buttons that looks like music player control. This actually controls the scan button. These are buttons. Green arrow, default option, scans from start 0 to end 100%. If the starting area has too many bad sectors and your PC hangs, use this. It scans from 100 to 0. This reverse button, reverse scan, this is the. Then random scan. Check random sectors to test how fast the mechanical head moves. This button. Last one is butterfly scan. Scans from both start and end. Not needed the normal user. Above this you will see two technical options. Block size here. It depends how many sectors are read at once. Keep this on auto. Next one is timeout. This means 10 seconds. 1000 microseconds means 10 seconds. If a sector does not respond within 10 seconds, it is marked as dead or bad and the scan moves forward. Now my favorite feature, end of the test. Deep scanning and repairing can take 5 to 10 hours. You can't sit in front of the computer that long time. So before starting, select shutdown PC or save screenshot. After scan completes, screenshot will be saved. PC will shut down safely. You can check the report in the morning. Very smart feature. Finally, the diamond shaped arrow button at the top. Let you manually move the cursor in the scan grid. At the very bottom, the vintage style digital clock is your timer. As soon as you click scan, it starts and shows the local time and total time elapsed during the scan. As soon as you finished all the settings and click on the scan button, in the middle of the screen, you will start seeing a large grid, a map of a small boxes. This is actually a live X-ray of your hard drive. Now, you might be wondering, what are these small boxes? Each small box that you see forming on a screen represents a storage space of sectors inside your hard drive or SSD. The software is reading data from every corner of your drive and pending its speed on the screen in form of these blocks. If you look carefully at the screen, you will mostly see light grays blocks and some dark gray blocks in the between. If your scan also shows this kind of gray pattern, then relax and be happy. It means your drive is running smoothly like butter and that portion is 100% healthy. The software is reading data without any interruptions. But if during the scan suddenly a red block appears among these grey blocks or a danger blue blocks with error X appears, then understand that the software had detected a problem of bad sector. If blue blacks appears, you should stop the scan and set the action to remap. This grid will keep filling line by line. The larger your drive, like 1 TB or 2 TB, the smaller and the more numerous these boxes will be. This entire process can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours. If your important data has been accidentally deleted or your hard disk, pen drive, memory card or SSD is not working, then there is no need to worry anymore. In Nanded, we provide professional data recovery services where your lost data is safely removed using advanced tool and technology. Along with, we also offers data recovery training where you will receive complete knowledge from basic to advanced level along with practical training. Our course includes hard disk, SSD, pen drive and memory card data recovery along with real case practices. You can take this training both offline in Nanded or online from home. If you want to build a career in the IT field, improve your skills or start your own data recovery business, then this course is perfect for you. For more information or services, contact us.